In this video clip, I'll be talking about electrical safety. This tool is a double insulated tool, which is equipped with a polarized plug, and that means that one of the blades on the plug end is bigger than the other one. Now, polarized plugs will only fit into polarized outlet. Again, one side has to be bigger than the other side. In addition, it's only going to fit in one way. Now, you want to make sure that you never expose your power tool to any type of wet conditions. And lastly, make sure that you never abuse the cord. The cord is the lifeline of your tool, so you want to make sure to keep this in as best condition as possible.